In order to use this template, you will first need to edit all of the text holders, and to do this you can go inside your edit folder right over here, and if you drop down this folder you can see all of the text holders, and these are all in order of appearance. So for example, let's start with the first one, the one that says Dark Grunge Titles. You can simply double click to access this composition. Inside this composition you will have a text layer, and you can replace this with any text you want. This font is called Bison, by the way, and it's available on thefont.com. So for example, I can simply double click and change the text, so like so. And if I go back inside my render comp, which you can access through your render folder as well, so let's go back, let's give it a second, and this is a flickering frame, so let's just choose a different frame here. Alright, so here you can see how it looks. And basically you do the same with all of the rest of these text holder compositions. So for example, let's go to our second text, alright, and access the text holder _2. And here again you can simply edit this text as however you want. You can even format the text however you want. So alright, and for example you can format these however you want. And also for some holders, for some text holders, I made half of the text a little whiter, so I used a 90% white, and this will just make different parts of the text pop out more than others and just create a more interesting effect. And now if I go back to the render, you can see your text here, and this is basically following the same structure for all of the other text. If you go inside your main comp, so you can double click to access this, here are all of the compositions sequenced in order and kind of matched to the song from the preview. But for example, you can see here that there's a lot of room left, for some of these titles. So each title is 10 seconds long, which means you can increase the duration. So for example, if you want all of the titles to last 10 seconds long, you can simply spread them apart like so, and now each of them will last up to 10 seconds, or you can simply make them shorter or even shorter than they are like so. You can of course use the different angles from the scenes and just move them around and move them however you want and in what order you want. So you can see that there's a lot of room for customizability here, and hopefully this will give you an idea of how to use this template. After you've done making all of the adjustments, you can go to composition, you can go to pre-render. Inside pre-render you can set this, you can leave this as AV. This will ensure that the highest quality is kept. If you use sound, don't forget to select audio output auto or on. Hit OK, hit render, and you're done. So thanks for watching.